Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is a great example of having the right strategy and being right on the trade and still losing. I'll go into that in this video, and I also added a little bit on the tail end of the video. So stick around, watch the whole thing, and hey, let's get right into this thing. Good morning, everybody. I think I have got everything right this morning, so we will see. Hey, it is about a minute and a half or so before the market opens. So, hey, let's get into this and get the day going. We will start off with the news. Let's see, there ain't really much news today that is going to do anything. Nothing that I see. Crude oil at 10:30, but that don't really push the market usually. Tomorrow we have a CPI and initial jobless claims. So I'm sure in the morning at 8:30, the market will definitely probably move one way or another. Looking at a higher time frame, looking at their 1 hour chart, I mean, we broke the trend line. We come back and retested it and pushed again last night. I was hoping that we could continue on up. As you can see, we've come into this area of interest and we are failing right now. So hopefully when market opens, I mean, even when we pull back a little bit, hopefully we can kind of keep this area right here support and push on up. But I don't know. Now looking at a 5 minute, you can see we're selling off a little bit. And again, this is that other indicator that I've been watching a little bit to try to stay in trades longer on my personal account. It seems to be doing okay so far. I can't keep up with my mouse like always. And here is the 1 minute chart, and we have got 30 seconds. Well, never mind, it is open. I was looking at the wrong time thing. It's been open for 40 seconds or so. Now we'll just wait on the first 5 minute candle. Let me go ahead and figure out where I want to go. We'll just do these four, don't matter. 112, 112, 1. We'll go to the 5 minute ORB strategy for my ATM order, and I can click on this and you can see it shows my stop loss will be 200, take profit will be 270, and I also have a trailing in there. I'll show it to you right here. I have a trailing stop strategy. That is when I get 22 ticks in profit, it pulls my stop loss up to 20. So once we get past that point, you know, if it don't keep pushing, it's automatically going to be a winner anyway. So let me turn this off. And that just shows what I can click on this little eye right here, and it shows my take profit and stop loss. I kind of like that about the Essential Trader dashboard there. That's through Affordable Indicators. It's add on. I can add more stuff to it, but like I said, I try to keep it simple. And we are down to 2.5 minutes. But yeah, this market has definitely been crazy here lately. It's been a struggle. There ain't no doubt about it. Hopefully, you know, in December, January, everybody sells their stuff off for tax season and then buys it back in January. Hopefully, the market will push for a little bit and we can get back up there to all-time highs. This is kind of a weak open, to be honest with you. I ain't feeling too good about the 5 minute strategy this morning because we ain't really moving. I mean, I don't know what it's waiting on. I don't know if it's waiting on CPI tomorrow or what. But like yesterday, the 5 minute opening range was 100 points. This morning it's looking like we're going to be about 447, about 50 points, you know. We got a minute and 10 seconds left before the 5 minute candle has printed, and we'll see what it does. Right now on a 5 minute chart, it's kind of making a doji candle, so it's indecisive on which way we're going to go. And as you can see right here on the timer, there is 50 seconds left before the 5 minute opening range is set. So looking weak. Might have to play it to the downside. Now the other day when I hit the wrong button, I went up there and I hit sell market. See, if I hit sell click, I can drag my order where I want it and I can place it. So if I am going to, let me get this off and pull this over a little bit where I can see. If I think we're going to fail, I go down here to the bottom of the 5 minute range and set my order. And it's looking like it's going to be weak. We've got 10 seconds left in the 5 minute opening range. 2 seconds. It's looking like it's going to be weak. I'm going to go ahead and place an order. Well, it's already got us in. It needs to push. It's feeling kind of weak. I don't believe we're going to do it. It needs to push. It needs to push. It can't do it. What in the world? I may have to go ahead and close this trade. Well, never mind. It got me out. So it just couldn't do it this morning. And you can see that is a loser. And that was across 4 accounts right out of the gate. That ain't good. But might have to try it one more time. Get some of my money back. I still think we're going to go on down. I was a little early. But yeah, she's going to go on down now. But I was just a little early on that trade, as you can see. But I mean, that's part of trading. So I did get some of the money back. But we're definitely failing now. I was just a little early on the draw. But again, that is part part of trading, and you just take the good with the bad. So we'll move on and carry on and see how the rest of the day plays out. I should have recorded just a little bit longer this morning, but just to give a recap, I did get on that losing trade. I got some of them back green. Let me find my button here. And right now it is 10:19 a.m. I'm done for the day. I'm going to do something I really don't want to do. I'm going to scrape popcorn off the ceiling. And as you can see, I ended the day 2 in the red. One was down 150, one was down 45. I did not trade my personal accounts because none of these setups is what I like. And plus, I usually don't trade until later in the day. So, thank you all for watching, and I will catch you in the morning.